Did you know that the air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? From cleaning chemicals to furniture, everyday items silently release toxins into the air we breathe. But here's the good news: the right plants can clean your air naturally. And today, we're looking at 10 powerful air-purifying plants that don't just make your home greener, they actually make it healthier. And the best part? These plants are incredibly easy to grow, even if you've never kept a plant alive before. When indoor air is polluted, your body feels it, even if you don't notice it immediately. Headaches, low energy, allergies, irritated eyes, and even poor sleep can all come from the air inside your home. But plants act like natural air filters. They absorb toxins like VOCs from paint, furniture, and cleaning products and release fresh oxygen back into your room. That's why adding the right plants can completely transform the air you breathe every single day. First on our NASA-approved list is the snake plant, one of the toughest and most effective air-purifying plants you can grow indoors. According to NASA's Clean Air study, snake plants remove harmful toxins like benzene, xylene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde, which commonly come from furniture, wall paint, and household products. What makes it extra special is its ability to release oxygen at night. Unlike most plants that rest after sunset, the snake plant keeps working, making it one of the best plants you can place in your bedroom for cleaner, fresher air while you sleep. And the maintenance? Almost zero. Snake plants survive low light, irregular watering, dry indoor air, and even neglect. It's the perfect beginner-friendly plant with powerful air cleaning ability. So if you want a plant that works 24/7 and demands almost nothing in return, the snake plant should be your first choice. Next on our NASA-approved list is the Erica palm, one of the most beautiful indoor palms and one of the best natural ways to keep your home's air clean and fresh. NASA's Clean Air study found that Erica palm is especially good at filtering out toxins like xylene and toluene, chemicals released by wall paint, polish, adhesives, and home cleaners. And here's a bonus: the Erica palm is also one of the world's best natural humidifiers. It releases moisture into the air throughout the day, helping prevent dry skin, irritated eyes, and breathing issues. With its soft, feathery leaves and bright green color, it's perfect for living rooms, offices, or any bright indoor corner. It instantly makes a space feel fresher, tropical, and more lively. If you want a statement plant that cleans the air and boosts humidity at the same time, the Erica palm is a must-have. Number 3 is the elegant peace lily, a plant that doesn't just beautify your home, but actively cleans the air in powerful ways. According to NASA's research, peace lilies are excellent at removing VOCs such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. They also help reduce mold spores, making them one of the best plants for bathrooms, kitchens, and damp areas. With its glossy leaves and striking white flowers, the peace lily adds a touch of calm and elegance to any room. It's a plant that looks luxurious without needing too much care. It thrives in moderate, indirect light, and unlike many plants, it will actually tell you when it needs water. Its leaves gently droop, then bounce back after watering. If you want a plant that purifies the air and brightens your space at the same time, the peace lily is a perfect choice for your bathroom or living room. At number 4, we have the super reliable spider plant, one of NASA's top-rated air-purifying indoor plants. It's especially effective at removing carbon monoxide and other indoor pollutants released from gas stoves, smoke, and poor ventilation. This makes it a great addition to kitchens, living rooms, and small apartments. Spider plants are also 100% non-toxic to pets, so if you have cats or dogs that love nibbling on leaves, this plant is perfectly safe to keep around. And one more thing people love about them, spider plants produce adorable baby shoots or pups that hang from the mother plant. You can easily propagate these and grow new plants for free. Low maintenance, pet-friendly, and constantly multiplying, the spider plant is one of the easiest ways to improve your indoor air instantly. At number 5, we have a plant that's both a natural air purifier and a natural first aid kit, aloe vera. NASA's Clean Air study found that aloe vera is excellent at clearing formaldehyde and benzene from indoor air. These chemicals often come from household cleaners, paints, and synthetic materials. And of course, aloe vera is famous for its gel, a soothing, natural healer for burns, cuts, and skin irritation. It's one of the few houseplants that doubles as a medicinal plant. This plant absolutely loves bright, indirect sunlight, which makes it perfect for kitchen windows, sunny shelves, or well-lit indoor corners. So if you want a plant that purifies the air, thrives in sunlight, and gives you natural skincare benefits, aloe vera is a must-have. Number 6 is the bold and beautiful rubber plant, known for its thick, glossy leaves and powerful air cleaning abilities. This plant is extremely effective at removing indoor toxins and VOCs, especially formaldehyde, a chemical released from carpets, furniture, and indoor dust. With its deep green, or sometimes burgundy leaves and clean shape, the rubber plant fits perfectly into modern, minimal, and stylish interiors. It instantly gives any room a sophisticated, high-end look. And here's the best part. Rubber plants are easy to grow tall. With proper care and bright, indirect light, they can rise from a small tabletop plant to a dramatic 6-foot indoor tree. If you want a plant that purifies the air while making a strong design statement, the rubber plant is an excellent choice for your living room or workspace. Coming in at number 7 is the pothos, also known as the money plant, a true champion for beginner gardeners. NASA's research shows that pothos is a strong absorber of VOCs like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. This makes it an excellent choice for bedrooms, offices, and living areas. The best part? Pothos can survive low light and even occasional neglect. It's perfect for people who love plants but don't have a green thumb. Trailing vines can be placed on shelves, in hanging baskets, or trained along walls, instantly adding a touch of lush greenery to any room. For an easy, low-maintenance plant that actively cleans your air, pothos is a perfect pick. Next up is the lush and leafy Boston fern, a favorite for both air purification and home decor. NASA's Clean Air study shows that Boston ferns are excellent at removing formaldehyde and xylene, common indoor pollutants released from paints, carpets, and cleaning products. This plant loves humidity, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or other damp spaces. It not only purifies the air, but also adds a refreshing, tropical vibe to the room. Place it in indirect light and mist occasionally to keep the fronds lush and vibrant. For anyone looking to improve indoor air quality in humid areas, the Boston fern is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 9 is the bamboo palm, a NASA-approved air purifying plant that's perfect for any indoor space. This plant is especially effective at removing trichloroethylene, a chemical often found in inks, paints, and cleaning agents. It's a powerhouse for improving indoor air quality in offices, living rooms, or bedrooms. Besides purifying the air, bamboo palms bring a tropical vibe to your space. Their tall, elegant fronds instantly add a fresh, relaxing feel. Low maintenance, visually striking, and scientifically proven to clean your air, the bamboo palm is a must-have for anyone looking to combine style and health. Finally, number 10 is the dramatic and stylish fiddle leaf fig, a plant loved for both its air-purifying power and bold aesthetic. NASA's Clean Air study highlights fiddle leaf figs as effective at removing indoor toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, which are commonly released by furniture, flooring, and paints. With its large glossy leaves, the fiddle leaf fig instantly becomes a centerpiece in any room. It's perfect for living rooms, offices, or bedrooms where you want both style and cleaner air. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and grows tall over time, making it a stunning, functional addition for anyone looking to combine interior design with healthy air. So now that you know the top 10 air-purifying plants, the question is, how many do you actually need to make a difference? Experts recommend one medium-sized plant per 100 square feet of indoor space. This ensures optimal air purification without overcrowding your home. For the best results, mix tall plants with smaller ones. Tall plants like fiddle leaf fig or rubber plant can purify large areas, while smaller plants like spider plant, pothos, or aloe vera clean air at more localized levels. Spread your plants across living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms to maximize clean air in every corner. With thoughtful placement, your home can feel fresher, healthier, and more vibrant every day. When it comes to keeping your air-purifying plants healthy, a few simple habits go a long way. One of the biggest mistakes is overwatering. It actually kills nearly 90% of indoor plants. Next, avoid exposing plants to direct, harsh sunlight unless the plant specifically requires it. Too much sun can scorch the leaves, while too little light slows growth. And don't forget the leaves. Dust and dirt block the plant's ability to clean air, so gently wiping or misting leaves regularly keeps them working at full efficiency. Follow these simple care tips and your indoor garden will thrive, providing fresh, clean air all year long. These 10 plants don't just decorate your home, they clean and protect it, improving the air you and your family breathe every day. Let's do a quick recap of the top 10. Snake plant, Erica palm, peace lily, spider plant, aloe vera, rubber plant, pothos, Boston fern, bamboo palm, fiddle leaf fig. Pick one or two plants that fit your space and start today. Even a small change can make a big difference in your home's air quality. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite air purifying plant. We'd love to see which one you choose.